हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, हम आज आ गए हैं पार्ट नंबर 3 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज हाउ वी प्रूव दैट पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर and second, what is the angle between the two lines. You know from the last part 2 that if two points are with us, say x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, then how we construct the equation of the straight line. You know very well, x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1 format. Divide by the drs of these 2 points, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1 is the straight line passing through these 2 points. Now collinearity, the meaning of collinearity means let the third point x3, y3, z3 is also lying on the same line. It means this point must satisfy this line. Very simple. So now we can write x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 divide by the same drs, and this is the formula to prove the 3 points are collinear. If you apply direct this formula, then it's okay. Or first you calculate the equation of the straight line by 2 point and substitute the third point. So now we'll take one question based on collinearity. Find the value of lambda so that point A minus 1, 3, 2, B minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2, minus 2, minus 4, 2, minus 2 and 5, 5 lambda are collinear. Then find the value of lambda. So either you apply the direct formula or first you make the equation with the 2 points and then substitute the third point. So first we start with the equation of 2 points. X minus y minus z minus. Format. X minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1 divide by x2 minus x1, z2 minus z1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 is the equation of the straight line. Now substitute the point third one. What we are getting? Put 5, 6 minus 3, put 5, 5 minus 3 and put z, that is lambda minus 2 by minus 4. Now we can cross multiply by these two or cross multiply these two. So this one is minus 2 equals to lambda minus 2 divided by minus 4. It will become 8, lambda minus 2, lambda equals to 10. So these type of questions where 3 points are given, prove that points are collinear, or points are collinear, find the value of lambda. Correct? Now we start angle between the two lines. Very, very important topic. And the remaining questions of the plane or the straight line, all the questions based on angle between the two lines. Important concept. How we derive the formula first. Suppose in the vector form, the line is a1 plus lambda b1 and second line r equals to a2 plus lambda times b2. It means this line passing through the position vector a1, point is a1, and line is parallel to a vector b1. That's why this line is a1 plus lambda b1 as we have completed in the part 2. Another line a2 is the point, or its position vector may be a2, position vector a1, and this line parallel to a vector b2. It means if we will calculate the angle between b1 and b2 will be the same as the angle between the two lines. Here a1 and a2 are the position vector. It means we are measuring through origin, but sometimes these two lines say L1 and L2 not passing through the origin, then no problem. We'll make the same line parallel to passing through origin and the same line passing through the origin, and then we'll make them the same angle is theta between L1 and L2, or the same angle between vector B1 and vector B2 passing through origin. So what we have completed in the chapter of the vectors, we are using the same concept here, angle between these two vectors. So cos theta equals to b1 dot b2 divided by magnitude b1 and magnitude b2. This will give you the value of cos theta. b1 dot b2, it means what we are getting? Scalar quantity. These two modulus magnitude, scalar quantity. So this value equals to cos theta, and theta equals to cos inverse of this quantity. Now one important point, if theta is 90, that is theta is pi by 2, then the condition is the same, that b1 dot b2 must be 0 if theta is pi by 2. Correct? Now suppose b1 and b2 are in the Cartesian form. Say x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 divided by a1, b1 and c1. These are the vector b1, a1i, b1j and c1k. Vector b1, a1i, b1j and c1k. Similarly, the second line, x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2, and vector b2 is nothing but a2i, b2j and c2k. So here we have to apply the drs a2, b2 and c2. Now angle between these two drs, if we substitute here b1 dot b2, what we are getting? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 dot product divided by magnitude of the first vector, that is a1 square, b1 square, c1 square inside the root is nothing but mod b1. Revision of vector, complete revision of vector, a2 square plus b2 square and c2 square. This will give you the value of cos theta. Again, the most important point, if theta is 90, then numerator equals to 0. And most of the questions connected to this theorem, that a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0 wherever two lines are perpendicular. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Now the last turning point, these are in the form of drs. Suppose we want to convert in DCs. a1 by a2 divided by modulus and modulus, separate them. b1 and b2 divided by modulus, and c1 and c2 divided by. We have divided the LCM for all these three factors. Now you know what is a1 by root L1, what is a2, L2, m1, m2 and 1 and 2 is the value of angle between the two lines. Again the important point, if theta is 90, it means L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 equals to 0. So if theta is 90 or pi by 2, then L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 must be 0. These are the basic formulae for angle between the two lines. Now we start question number 10. Find the angle between these two given lines. It means after the lambda this is b1 and after the lambda it is b2. Question, repetition of the vectors. Find the angle between these two vectors. Nothing is extra. So cos theta equals to this dot this, 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 6 into 2 divided by magnitude of the first, modulus of the first, modulus of the second. 9, 4, 36. 1, 4 and 4 is the value of cos theta. 3 and 4, 7, 7 and 19. 36, 40, 49, 7, 4, 4, 9, 9 and 3. Answer 19 by 21. So what we say theta? Theta is nothing but cos inverse 19 by 21 is the answer. Simple. Revision of the vectors. Okay. One more question. But this time it is in the Cartesian form. Sum number 11th. You know, सबसे important चीज क्या है इस चैप्टर की? लाइन की जो फॉर्मेट है, इट मस्ट बी x माइनस x1, y माइनस y1, z माइनस z1. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. See, 1 minus x, it is not in the proper form. Cautious. 7y minus 14 is not in the proper form. Yes. 6 minus z is not in the proper form. So first check the most important point. एग्जाम में क्या होता है, बच्चे लोग जल्दी से बस drs लिखते हैं और फॉर्मूला लगा देते हैं. Wrong. First you have to check. Note down. First you have to check that the line is in the proper form or not. What is the proper form? X minus x1 upon y minus y1 upon z minus z1 upon. So here it is in the proper form. It is in the proper form. It means we can apply the formula. Cos theta equals to a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 upon modulus 4 25 9 1 64 16. So cos theta equals to minus 2 plus 40 minus 12 divided by 25 29 30 38 64 70 80 81 40 minus 14 6 26 of positive divided by root 38, and this is nothing but 9 cos theta. So what about theta? Cos inverse 26 by 9 root 38. Acute angle, you have to put modulus. Correct? We'll check the answer. 26 upon 9 root 38. Correct. Next question is my favorite question, because in this question you have to calculate the value of P if lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular is okay, but they are not in the proper form. That's why this question is good question. So first you have to make it in the proper form. X minus 1 upon minus 3. This time we want here y, but here 7. So divide numerator and denominator by 7. Numerator and denominator by 7. And the last z minus 3 is in the proper form. ये चलेगा. Next line. 7 minus 7x. It means you have to divide by minus 7. Divide by minus 7. Divide by minus 7. Y minus 5 is proper form. And this one is not in the proper form. So take 6 minus z, z minus 6 divided by minus 5. Now assure that yes, these two lines are in the proper form. Then start the formula. Check once again. Correct. We can apply the formula. Since lines are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 0. So a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0. Now minus minus cancel out, 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7 minus 10 by 1 equal to 0. Multiplying by 7 because 7 is the LCM. 9p, 2p, 70, 0. 11p, 70, p equals to 70 by 11. Answer. We'll check the answer. 11 by 70 by 11 is the correct. Easy, but cautious. So the next point, next question, you have to prove 13th that the lines are perpendicular. Very simple. Is in the proper form? Correct. Is in the proper form? Correct. So start cos theta, direct 90. 7 into 1, 2 into minus 5, 3 into 1, 7 minus 10 plus 3, 10 minus 10, 0. Hence prove that the lines are perpendicular. So in this way, we have completed exercise number 11.2 of 3-dimensional geometry. So I think you all are utilizing this lockdown period very well. Congratulations to each and everyone, to you and your parents, that we are preparing for our board exam 2021. मिलते हैं अगला टॉपिक लेकर के, शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू लाइन्स, पार्ट नंबर 4. तब तक टेक केयर, गुड बाय.